and I'm not supposed to teach you.
You're an
Get
idiot,
the
dog.
fuck out of here.
You're a fucking idiot, dog. What's up then? What's up
Serious?
then, bro?
Hey, come on, man.
Go get the fucking rag, dog. Go get the fucking rag. Please. Why y'all on me?
Hey, let's go. You say you want war, let's go, let's go. You say you want war, let's go, let's go. You say you want war, let's go. I want war. Hey.
This is GQ Shooter. I want to thank you for tuning into another one of my videos. In this gameplay, we are at the town called map called Sawmill in Jonestown, Texas, playing at Texas Paintball. And also in this video, you'll see an alteration, as you can see from my intro vid, of one of my Tac X members with the opposing team. What happened was basically a guy tried to safety kill my Tac X member, hot fire Spitter, and Spitter refused to take the safety kill, which is within the rules of this field. Some fields you can do safety kills, but Texas Paintball you do not have to accept a safety kill. It's one of the rules. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Help this channel grow. I know I've been slacking a little bit in my videos, but I promise to try to pump out more content. Thanks again. Hope you enjoy. So Fire Spitter ran to one of my favorite spots, which is called Grandma's house. And if you want to, you can look at the little link above, and you can watch the video in which I posted a whole video of me sitting inside Grandma's house, just eating some folks up.
Woo! I like this spot, GQ.
Got you, buddy. Alright, go ahead. You're good, you're good.
Gun fucking hit, bro. Goddamn. At least I think it is.
Let's rewind that a bit. Let's confirm that kill.
Ah, hit. That's it.
Hit!
Alright. Go time. Hit pistol time.
Me and Spitter just got taken out by a shooter on the second story of the barn.
Ow. That's it.
Alright, go. I'm laying down covering fire so my teammates could rush the barn. I want to go in with them, but I can't because I do not have a pistol. And my rifle is a 50-foot minimum engagement distance. Copy. I'm leaving cover for y'all. Go. That barn came from the barn?
I think so.
Fuck, we didn't clear it yet? Come on, boys, clear that shit. Clear that shit. There's 4 of y'all in there. Watch it, Dylan. Upstairs. He's upstairs, Dylan.
You're listening to Redneck.
Are they still in the barn?
Yes. Can you back Dylan up? Hold up, Dylan. Wait for backup. Hey, Dylan, I got backup coming to you. Go ahead.
What you mean go ahead?
No, I'm talking to him. Get in. Good shit. Ooh, you just gotta love grenades.
Oh, alright. Call it, bro. Call it. Sorry. Oh, you good? I smell the first time I was thrown at me. You're good, you're good, you're good.
We gotta control the barn. You sure? Dylan, you good? You got it. Yeah, Dylan took it out.
No, bro, there ain't no safety kills. No, it's not, you idiot, you're dead. There ain't no safety kills. There's no fucking safety kills, you idiot. There's no fucking safety kills. Back up, there ain't no safety kills. Why you shoot me from the back? Cause there's no fucking safety kills, you idiot. Well, what's up then?
Don't fucking shoot
What's
me
up
from the
then?
back.
What's up then?
Why you gonna do that?
What's up then?
Hey!
Ain't no safety kills.
Guys,
Ain't no safety kills.
come on, it's a game.
You gonna shoot me from the back?
Bro, you
fun, guys.
no. He thinks.
Okay, look.
He don't know the rules.
Safety kills, walk it off.
That's what I'm saying. Go back to the spawn, fool.
You go back to the spawn.
Come on, guys.
Go back to the spawn.
It's a game of.
There's 3 of us here, you're fucking dead.
Go back to your spawn.
There's 3 of us here, you're fucking dead.
Bro, did you not hear the fucking rules?
Alright, just walk it off.
Go get the res.
I have a minimum engagement.
Go get the res. Were you the one that ran up on me, you and you? Let's go get the res.
Look, he said that I have a minimum engagement.
Yo, trade it off,
That
it's
means I
fine.
surrender you.
It's not that big
No,
a
I
deal.
ain't. No, I'm just saying you gotta know the rules.
What's up? I shot him first.
Yeah, just
Walk it off.
Bro, you turned around and I'm like this
I
on
turned
you.
around and I had my gun in your face.
And I'm not supposed to take
You're an
Get
idiot,
the
dog.
fuck out of here.
You're a fucking idiot, dog. What's up then? What's up then, bro?
Hey, come on, man.
Go get the fucking res, dog. Go get the fucking res. Why y'all on me? Hey, call!
I ain't got no pistol. I don't want to run in there. So my fellow Tac X member Poop blessed me with a Glock 17. It's time to go see QB, baby. All right, moving.
You're listening to
They're over here shooting me and shit.
It's a game.
There ain't no fucking safety.
Walk it.
Yeah, there ain't no
This dude just
safety.
fucking shot me for no reason after I got done playing the game.
Distance, bro.
Let's fucking go. This dude's a fuck up. Bro, don't fucking shoot me. Don't put your hands on me.
I didn't shoot you. That's the point of this whole thing.
Let's go. Let's go,
Put
Dylan.
your hands on me one more time, bro.
I didn't want you to fucking get shot.
Put your fucking hands on me, bro. I fucking tapped you. Are you a pussy? I tapped you in your fucking head. It's a demon. Well, you touched me, so what's gonna happen? What's gonna happen?
Back off then. Let's go. You ain't gonna
What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? I don't need this fucking face here, bro. And this dude fucking shot me. This dude fucking, come on, mate. Fucking idiot. Well, I don't need a helmet, dog. I don't need a fucking helmet. So come on then. Hey, bro, what you talking about, dog? I'm still alive. I don't know what you mean. Yeah, we straight.
Somebody in the sawmill.
They try to run up on me, bro.
Redneck.
Hey, right here, bro. Right here.
Big kudos to the ref for coming in there, assessing the situation, taking the parties outside and talking it out, and coming up with a solution.
It's me. It's me. Let's go. Let's go. So come on then.
Alright, y'all back out before I shoot y'all, because I'm about to clear this. Hey, let's clear this, Poop.
What's up?
I'm about to clear this guy here.
Huh? In the window?
I'm still alive. I don't know what you're doing.
Alright, we're good?
Just
Come
saw
on.
somebody cross. There's somebody in the sawmill.
They try to run up on me, bro.
Alright, I'm here with you.
I can't walk right now.
Fuck. Fucking A. Poop, your gun's not shooting. You ain't got no gas, Poop. Shit.
Dylan?
No, you ain't got no gas.
I got one.
I ain't got no good. I'm back out. I'm gonna call it hit. There you go. I ain't got no gun. I'm just using harsh language. You good? Alright.
You said we're all gonna be on the same team now.
Hell no.
about the stuff.
And that is the now retired Tac X member Poop playing a joke on Spitter. Hey, we're gonna miss playing with you, big dog. You're a hell of a teammate, man.
I just found it over. Oh God.
Just want to reiterate, know the rules of your field. Watching the video, I gotta stand behind my guy Spitter. You know, yes, I agree it shouldn't have escalated as far as it did, but I believe that he was in the right. That's my guy. I'm gonna stand behind him, thick or thin, right or wrong. I'm his teammate. No, we're down for each other. We watch each other's backs. So if you believe I'm wrong, leave a comment. I'm gonna erase it. No, I'm playing. Go ahead, leave a comment. I want to thank you again for watching the video. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to duck when I'm shooting at you. This is GQ Shooter signing out.